See now, look. I'm going to show you a set and rep routine mixed with bar metrics in it. You understand what's going on? Now, it's not going to be elite bar metrics, but it's there. Waste up money. If you want to get a cleaner pull-up, cleaner muscle-up, you want to pull strong, get the forearms right. You seen that pull-over? You know how to do that? Yeah, when you raise your legs, you got to pull at the same time. Soon as that bar hits your waist, now you can automatically spin. Then we had here a couple of these 5 plank push-ups. I don't know what they was called. You understand what's going on? But that's old school money. That's been out. This been out. This been out before I was born. This right here, look. Wilding and then doing a set after endurance money. Do you understand what's going on? Maybe you don't because you're too lazy and too weak. You don't do nothing. Get up and do something. Pay attention, y'all. You laying down watching this. Money.